12th CBSE Maths 2016 first set question number 25. This is a question on linear programming. A retired person wants to invest 50,000 rupees in two bonds. Okay, the bonds are bond A and bond B. Suppose he invests X rupees in bond A and Y rupees in bond B. According to the question, he gets 10% return from bond A and 9% return from bond B. So from A he gets X upon 10 rupees, and from bond B he gets 9 upon 100 times Y rupees. So total he gets this much rupees as return. He wants to maximize this. Okay. It is also given in the question that in bond A he wants to invest minimum 20,000 rupees, and in bond B he wants to invest minimum 10,000 rupees. It is also given that, you read the question, X is greater than or equal to Y. Okay. So, because he has 50,000 rupees, the total amount he invests can never be greater than 50,000 rupees. So, these are the linear constraints. Under these constraints, he has to maximize this. So this is to be maximized. So this is called the objective function. Let this be Z. These are called the linear constraints, and this is the objective function. Under these conditions or constraints, he has to maximize this. Okay. So as we know, we have to draw the graph of all these. First, your X is greater than or equal to 20,000. Look at the graph here. Look at the graph. X is greater than or equal to 20,000 rupees. In class 11th, you already read this, so we are not discussing in detail here. So this is the line X is equal to 20,000, greater than or equal to. So this line as well as the right hand side of this line represent this inequality. Similarly, come to Y is greater than or equal to 10,000. This is Y equal to 10,000, greater than, so upside. So this line as well as this portion, infinite portion above this line represents Y is greater than or equal to 10,000. Then come to X is greater than or equal to Y. So as you learned in 11th, first we draw X equal to Y. This is the line X equal to Y. Then we look at the conditions and see whether this side or this side represents this situation. So you can verify this side, that is this line as well as this, represents this equation. Then come to last one, X plus Y is less than or equal to 50,000. How to draw the graph? As you learned in 11th, first we take X plus Y is equal to 50,000. Okay. Then there are different ways. One way is, if we divide both sides by 50,000, right hand side becomes 1, x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1, intersect form of the line, x upon A is x intercept 50,000 and y intercept is B, that is 50,000. So this is the line representing equality. Then you verify whether this side or this side will represent. You can verify this side represents. So the graph of this inequality is this line as well as this side. Okay. So considering all these, that is the common portion, this is the region representing all these situations, all these constraints. So this polygon, which is called feasible region, represents the area satisfying all these constraints. Okay, and as you read in 12th only, the maximum or minimum exists at the vertices. Okay, so how to get this coordinate? Solve this and this. Okay, easily you can find it to be 20,000, 10,000, sorry. Go on solving like this. So I have calculated 20,000, 20,000, 50,000, 0, then this one, 25,000, 25,000, and S, 20,000, 20,000. So at these points, maximum or minimum occurs. We have to verify now. The objective function is z is equal to x upon 10 plus 9 upon 100 y. I have written it here. At P, x is 20,000, y is 10,000. So in this expression, put x equal to 20,000, y is equal to 10,000. Evaluate 2900. At Q also, find it out. At R, calculate. At S, you calculate Z. So I have calculated this. So the maximum value is obtained at Q. Q means, look at the point Q. The point is 40,000, 10,000. This is X and this is Y. Therefore, if the person invests 40,000 rupees in bond A and 10,000 rupees in bond B, then he gets maximum return. Isn't it easy? Easy question.